Hey guys, it's hard to see, but we're doing a Steelers rebuild today, okay? Let's get right into it quickly. Team. QB, Big Ben. As you can see, we have other backups who are not too thrilling. James Conner in the backfield, Benny Snell, McFarland, and Samuels. So a pretty good backfield if you ask me. We got Juju Smith-Schuster. He's had a weird season. He's okay. Pretty good though. James Washington, I like James Washington. He's very young, but very young receiving core. Deontay Johnson, hidden development in this game. Still on 9 of 20. But Deontay Johnson's a good receiver. Same with Chase Claypool, he's a stud. I'm going to give him star development. He's been a stud this season. Straight up. I'm not giving him superstar because I'm going to let EA do that. Because I don't want to go too overboard. We got Eric Ebron and Vance McDonald, two good tight ends. Vance McDonald is an old buddy, and Eric Ebron is too. Not that old, but he's a good tight end. O-line is okay. It's pretty good, I think. David Castro is the only one who is in even remotely 90. The rest of his offensive line is older as heck. Fielder, who isn't even that good, is still old. Pouncey, he's 33, I think. 30, actually. Von Williams like 36 or 30. Yeah, 30. Really old offensive line. Let's just say that. Defense. Holy. This defense is good. Really good. Okay. Bud Dupree is okay, I'd say. Pretty young. Devin Bush is one of the best linebackers in the league. He's old. He's injured right now, but he's a stud. Vince Williams is okay. He's old though. TJ Watt is a stud. He'll really help your team. Stephon Tuitt, old but okay. But what am I talking about? He's really good. Stud. Cameron Hayward, stud. Old though. Whoever the heck this guy is, never heard of him. He's old though. Joe Hayden, Steve Nelson, and Mike Hilton are very good cornerback. I remember when Joe Hayden was one of the best cornerbacks in the NFL. I really liked him. He's not really that anymore because we're old. Steve Nelson is fine, and same with Mike Hilton, but it's not a strong cornerback core. I think they're all okay. Terrell Edmonds is young, but could be a bust. But he'll be there for a little while, but only normal development. And like I said, we have Big Ben. He is old as heck. We need a new quarterback, and I know where we're going to find one. Or the Eagles. Give me that man Jalen Hurts. What will I give you? I will give you any of my offensive line. Not Villanueva. I'll give you Villanueva. No, I really don't want Villanueva. You take Villanueva for Hurts? Yes, you will. Okay. So we have Jalen Hurts. He's going to be our quarterback in the future. You might be asking why am I doing that? We need draft picks and badly. I don't want Marquise Pouncey either. It would be good to get AB's on this team, yeah. Sorry, I don't know if I had the right rosters, but as long as it's okay. Give me Tristan Wirfs. Straight up. We're going to need Tristan Wirfs. This means he would be a rookie team. I do not want James Conner either. Oh, you say you want him. Are you down for Derwin? Yeah, it's not going to happen. I'll take your first round pick. What else do we need to give away? Not Stephon Tuitt. I'll give you this bum. Almost there. we are not taking, be clear on this, take this dude. Accept it. Yes. Got a first round pick. I do not want anyone from the Chargers. We need a running back now. Which team has a decent running back? Saquon. Come to me. Second. Ooh, Saquon might come to me. I will literally give you Vince Williams. I do not want to pay this man some money. Yeah, we're going to have to pay Saquon, but I am trying to stay young. Yo, even bye. We just got Saquon Barkley. And that's about all I really want to do. Team went down overall heavily, as you can see. We had Saquon. I kind of want Chase Claypool in the slot. Big Ben, you're gone soon. Our O-line is in shambles. I can see that, but oh my God, we really. I'm gonna cut Vance McDonald. We do not need him. Cornerbacks are fine. That's what I want my team to look like. Old team in some areas, but we should be good. And also, I really encourage you guys to watch the games. There's a lot of games you guys should watch this weekend. One being the Pittsburgh Steelers, who are 6-0. I forgot to tell you that. Steelers are 6-0. They have the best record. Our only undefeated team left. I don't want to say the best record. They're the only undefeated left in the team left in the National Football League. They seem to be unstoppable. I have to admit that. They have been very, very good. I wouldn't say not unstoppable, but they have been very, very good. And let's see what they can do against the Ravens. And of course, happy Halloween to all you people. Halloween is tomorrow in about 2 hours and 58 minutes on the clock right now. It's 9:02. Pretty late. And also, please subscribe. And if you want to hear any more new videos, turn on those notifications. You have heard it from you. Okay, now let's just go right back into football talk. So, as this thing seems slower than heck, I will try we're going to try to get Madden 21. I'm going to get a monitor for Christmas, so that's going to be, I hope I get a monitor for Christmas so I can actually do this because I do have a PC, so that's good. And also, there are so many possibilities for you to enjoy the NFL because it is a beautiful league if it's running correctly. Roger Goodell is not a bad. Roger Goodell is basically the person who is in charge of it, the whole thing, but he's not even close to a bad one. Okay, we gotta sign Mike Hilton and no one else. Make sure. Yeah, Ryan Shazier is not in the league anymore. He retired. Okay, I do not want you. You're old. Nope. Nah, bye-bye all you dinguses. What's our record? We're 0. How are we 0-7? We are 0-7. We lost very closely to the Pats. Again, not a good game. Oh, so we should not be 0-7. We should be like 5-2. Whatever, we stink. We're not going to make playoffs. I'm not happy about that. Not happy at all. Hey, I have to do this, but it's how I can hear you, for God's sake. Oh yeah, Trevor Lawrence got COVID if you want to know. Other news, Antonio Brown signed with the Bucks. AB, Antonio Brown, whatever you want to call him. We're not making the playoffs. I'm okay getting a good bet draft pick. But, yeah. That's scary. Now, how are we 0-7 now? I haven't been this bad since the time I tanked with the Vikings. Madden 19. Well, welcome to the Steelers, I guess. They always win, but now they seem to always lose. Yeah, if you're dumb like me, buy Madden 21, but if you're smart, do not buy Madden 21. EA's gonna get sued if they don't make a better game. I bet people are gonna literally sue EA if they don't make a better game. Like, this game's better than it, and this game isn't even good. It's actually pretty crap, but Madden 21 is just a mess. Did we go 0-16? Because if we did, I would not be surprised. I guess we went like 3-13 or 2-14 or 1-15, something like that, or even 5-11 or 4-12. Any of those, I wouldn't be surprised. We went 4-12, so an okay end of the season, but still we stink. I want the annual. Or scouting. Anyone cares? Offense was horrific. Defense was okay. Big Ben had a weird season. We did not throw the ball at all. Saquon, not a good season actually. He did not have a good season in any shape or form. Had a Big Ben running with that. All receivers were terrible. Everyone was bad. She's good, but actually okay year for a rookie. Defense, Devin Bush was a beast. 18 sacks, 8 for TJ Watt. Okay, not bad. 3 picks. Whoa, I think we just gave a ton of yards, that's my guess. No pick sixes. Cam Hayward at safety. New England's MVP. Of course, we don't have one in the top 10. We don't for offensive, defensive. Bush at 6, offensive rookie of the year. No one, defensive rookie of the year. Devin Bush at 2. I'm mad about that, but whatever. Devin Bush is superstar development, and that is good. We all know that. And let's go to the offseason because I am hyped to get rid of Big Ben and let Jalen Hurts do his thing. Because, oh my God, he's going to go down in overall like raining tacos, if you know that song. Oh yeah, and it's snowing up. It snowed today, if anyone cared. Pretty early. And next rebuild, of course, is going to be the Bears. I'm doing a draft order, if anyone cares. And now let's go in the offseason and get the heck out of here, Ben Roethlisberger. You're so old. Please tell me you're retired. He goes on to 68, doesn't he? 72. Bye. I gotta get rid of Big Ben. Colts can afford me and they want him. Who will you give me? I do not want Quentin Nelson. Darius Leonard? No, get because I know we're going to pay him. He might be in it. Who we thought we did a trade for? He's old. How about Braden Smith? I like Smith. He's impossible. Any other team that wants Big Ben. Colts are only option, okay. That's the hugest cap hit ever. Take a second round pick for him. Because I do not want this man. 5th and now for a second round pick. Okay, bye bye Ben. Hello, Jalen Hurts. Okay. I will spend money in free agency. If we have a little. Chris Jones, no. This class kind of sucks. Chris Boswell's old, but he's decent. Graham Gano, no. You know anything about that? Dude, John Sullivan retired. I have no idea, DJ Humphries. Okay. We're just going to be drafting offensive line this class. So I can just tell you that. We are getting offensive linemen everywhere. We need 4 offensive linemen. We may only have 4 or 5 picks. 2 first rounders, a second, and maybe a 5th and a 6th. Maybe a 6th and a 7th or something like that. I just want to get a better offensive line, if you ask me. We need offensive linemen badly. Don't get me started on CVs. Please tell me Penny Sewell's still there. No. Oh, he is. Boom. Screw the hidden development. Done his draft like 90 times. But we do need Jackson has 4 firsts. Wilson has none. Take the agile. Let's go. Just a couple more guys. Let's hope that Creed Humphrey guy's still there. Doubt he is though. I don't get why those are the quarterbacks here. The only guy we can actually get, and he stinks. Let's go. Just wasted a second round pick. I should have traded down there. How much does it take to get Connor Williams? I can put something in there for him. You need a QB. Some of Josh Jobs. Nope, okay, I got it. You want a quarterback, and it's a number we need. How about right outside linebacker? I'm not giving you TJ Watt or Bud Dupree. Take this guy. Oh, the bum. Take the bum. The bum. Father. Okay. QB. They got the 6. And put in one of our running backs. Samuels. Boom, we just got Connor Williams. He's okay. So basically, we made up for a draft pick and can get out of this draft, and yay, we don't have to draft, and then we get to go to next one. Tomorrow's Saturday, if anyone cares. I film a lot on Fridays. Did it last week. Sorry, I'm not up playing rebuild this much. It's tough. Take a while to do. I'm gonna have to do some adjusting on the offensive line. Takes this long to simulate 1 week. Okay, O-line is set. Defense stinks. Well, not really. We actually have a decent defense. Oh, we have Richardson. We have Minka Fitzpatrick. Boom, he's a stud. And TJ Watt. He's got unstoppable fortune strip specialist. God, we really do need another linebacker. Wait, who's our other outside line? Defensive tackle. How old are you? 26. Oh God, this is not good. You're right on. Okay, now it's actually going to get this over with. Okay. More on Trevor Lawrence. Yeah, I don't know how he got sick, but he got sick and he's out for the game. We're playing Boston College, who honestly is not even as close to good as Clemson, so that should be an easy dub. Even without their best player, or one of the best players, whatever you want to call it. Don't put it up for debate though. And of course, Antonio Brown signed with the Bucks. Antonio Brown, yeah. But Antonio Brown signed with the Bucks, and Tom Brady is another weapon. Then that is not good in any way, shape, or form. Oh yeah, Gilmore might get traded. Stephon Gilmore might get traded. If he just got traded, you can yell it out in the comments. Oh, I forgot we're not doing a live stream, so never mind. But still, I want to know who Gilmore's going to go to and what it's going to take to get him. My guess is at least a first round pick. Best cornerback in the NFL. Well, he's not playing like it right now, but he's one of the best. Stomping's my brother. Yes, he's doing his thing, stomping. Taking a while and getting ready so we can do this quick. So we don't go 4-12 this season. Oh yeah, and Big Ben for 18 touchdowns, 6 interceptions. Saquon ran for 1,000 yards, 9 touchdowns. I have really good memory. It's weird, yeah. Okay, we are 3-4, so a lot better than last year. Last season, whatever you want to call it. Minka Fitzpatrick has 2 upgrades and he gets up to an 89. What the frick? I don't want to demand a release. I don't know if you're going to get that, who is that? Marcus Washington, or James Washington? But I guess, oh God, our whole team needs it resigning. We have so much money, we can pay for these guys. Cam, you're back for another year. Okay, we got Cameron Hayward for another year. TJ Watt's going to want a massive deal. We all know that because he is a beast. Juju's going to want a deal. I will pay him as much as he wants. Chase Claypool's going to want money. 2-year deal? Oh, what am I doing? Don't need it for safety. Don't need that deal. Tristan Wirfs would be nice though. 7-year deal would be nice too. Derek Watt, no. Ooh, Jalen Hurts. Oh shoot, 5-year option. Oh, forgot about the 5th-year option. So dumb. 4-year. No, wait, I gotta fix that. Oh, give him his 2 4 years. We might pick up his 5th-year option. I don't know. Let's go to the playoffs. And we are, of course, having to play the Browns. They're overpowered. I don't like the Browns in any shape or form. Yeah, the Browns are just playing decent. Baker Mayfield, besides the 0 for 5 with the pick, he had one of the best games I've ever seen. 22 for 22, basically. Get rid of the spike, but oh my god, he had an amazing game. Amazing game. And yeah, Halloween's tomorrow. That should be a good one. It should be a really good night. It's gonna be cold, so any of you kids going out trick or treating, or keep your front mask on, COVID reasons. But don't be dumb and take all the candy, because just because there's COVID, it doesn't mean you can do whatever the heck you want. Still though, this takes so long. And don't ask me why I give these guys 2 big deals, but I do. I try to sign them. I don't try to be too smart. Should be, but contracts I like, but you know, I don't put too much big thought into it, like some other things. Didn't make the playoffs, it's not good. 2 upgrades for Devin Bush, that's going to take about 90 minutes. And we are up to an 84 overall. Okay, I like to see that. Fitzpatrick has Lurker. Oh god, that's nasty. He's up to a 90. Okay, I see you. XP, what is this for? QB, definitely. We need our quarterback to be good. Jalen Hurts had a very good year for a rookie, honestly, not a bad year. Defense we had an average team, I'd say. Jalen Hurts had a really good year, I'd say, for a rookie. Saquon went off. Jalen Hurts did a little bit on the ground. Benny Snell had a good game season 2, but Saquon, 1,372 rushing yards, 12 touchdowns, and 275 carries. Good year. And Jalen Hurts, sorry you can't see, 3,507 yards on 308 completions, a 72 completion percentage, 23 touchdowns, 10 interceptions. Receiving, Deontay Johnson, 838 yards and 61 receptions, 5 touchdowns. Juju was awful, 51 for 610 with 3 touchdowns. Eric Ebron, 65 for 665 and 6 touchdowns, led the team. James Washington, 76, 745 yards and 3 touchdowns. Now the defense, Devin Bush, 112 tackles, 11 for a loss. Cameron Hayward at 18 again, led the team. TJ Watt at 9.5 sacks. 3 picks for Devin Bush. That could be defensive player of the year. I don't know if it's going to be though. Nope. 1 pick 6 for some guy. Cam Newton wins MVP again. And Colin Kaepernick at 4 with, of course, it's the Giants. No one else. Defensive player of the year, Devin Bush at 3. JT Daniels wins offensive rookie of the year. Defensive rookie of the year. No, 10 for Chris Austin. Why did I think that Jalen Hurts was his rookie year? His first year in the This is a starter. He's not a rookie. Let's go the offseason. And see how things go. And more. Wait, what was our record? Did I even check our record? I am dumb. Well, I'll just check our record before the offseason's over. Should have some money though. That should be good though. Oh yeah, we went 6 and 10. Okay. I don't care about you guys. Let's use in free agency. Always first free agency is not good. I never really sign anyone. We have a lot of money. Trent Williams is here. I don't really need him. Don't need a running back. Don't need Richard Sherman Gold. Okay. Might take a former Ram here. Or should just put our money in Sheldon Rankins. I want Takarius McKinnon. He's a bust, maybe? 92 points, okay. I do not want to sign many guys. The last time was Jeopardy. I'm going to bump that up a little, maybe 100. Either way, it's close. We're trying to get Takarius McKinley. We do need a player there. See what happens. Will we get him? I don't know. Let's see. We got Takarius McKinley. I'm acknowledge you for that. And that really helps our offense. Our defense. We're pretty shallow everywhere. I might look for a... Oh, Minka Fitzpatrick. X Factor. Zonok. Oh. Let's go, Fitzpatrick. Yeah, we need a lot of positions. Wait, did you go to Star? Edmonds went up to Star. Okay, I see you. Cameron Hayward, so Cameron Hayward. Our O-line is still our O-line. And now let's go to the draft. And Jalen Hurts, like the reason I have Big Ben as a quarterback in that 17, he's old and he has a $33 million cap hit. And that's why I paid $102 million. If you remember watching the Broncos rebuild, there we had $116 million in cap. Now let's get into the draft. You have to be kidding me. Colt Fish. What do I even really need? The bus class, it looks like. I'm going to just go and do a 3-4. 2 first A's. I think the John Milton's the right pick. And he is. 4 in the draft. Hidden development. We're going to a 3-4. 4-3. Draft pick. I might actually want to pick a receiver because they all seem to stink. Backs stink. No, I know what I'm going to do. We're trading down. I like this. Oh. I need a Seahawks deal. I'll do that. No, I don't care about the rest of the draft. I really don't. I'm already in the advanced next round. like, I could care less about this draft besides that one pick because now I can actually go to a 4-3, which works a lot better than actually. Sim gets all better, more efficient, everything. And it works pretty much the same, and scheme change, Saquon's been a beast for us. So far, I guess, if we thought. Here's base 4-3. That's all I want. Okay, we got a hidden. That's what I like to see. Bugs. Hi, iBugs. Isaiah Bugs. iBugs. Ooh, 60 overall. I don't know that I can blame him. Not you, dude. Here's like CB. It's stupid. Might actually work. Because it's going to be star. We all know it's going to be star. Because there's no way it's going to be star. Because if it is, it's going to be insane. I want to get that I got some playing time. Third season. 6-10. Let's see if we can go better. And also see if we can actually not go 0-7 to start the season. Or 3-4. Maybe flip the script and 1-7. I don't know. Probably not gonna happen though because Madden Sim is different than other games. And if you want to know the truth, NHL is a better game than Madden, and they put 10 times less money into it. And FIFA is a lot worse game than NHL, and they put 30 times more. 2K is the best sports game out of any game. Then I understand NHL and the show. Then FIFA and Madden. You have to rank it. Madden's it's Madden. It's fun because it's the only sports game you can actually play. You kind of get used to it. It's fun doing this, honestly, it is. You can see on the dev traits. I really like the development traits. Those really make it better and more surprising and fun. And right now it's Maryland, Minnesota, if you want to watch that game for college football. I think it's like, when I left, I was like 21, I was like 8:30, so a while ago. Hour ago, but yeah. That game is looking pretty good. And Falcons won their second game of the season yesterday. Julio had a pretty good game. If you're wondering, Panthers are now 3-5. Still not last in the division somehow though. They might be 0-3 in the division. Yeah, they're 0-3 in the division. We are 4-3-1 and still third in the division. Browns are God squad, that's why I do not like being in this division. 4 upgrades since man. It's gonna be star development, we all know that. But it's just another it's made up. Okay, he's up to 190. Cole quit, I don't care about the bye week. I care less. Ooh God. A lot of guys. I'm not signing you, Cole quit. A lot of guys signed. And it will be a little tight. Saquon, I will give you your money. David DeCastro, Okay, we got David Castro. Minka's gonna want a ton of money. Yeah, it's really expensive for a safety, but he's a beast. Ebron, no. Washington, no. Nelson, no. Dupree, no. Edmonds, yes. Got Edmonds. And Connor Williams, I would definitely sign. Young and decent. Oh, like we need to really sign. Jalen Hurts' contract's gonna have to come up soon, so that's not good. I kind of want DB. That's about it, though. Go to the playoffs, see if we even make them, which might be super tough because there's 3 teams in our division that are really good. Starting off with Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow, I'm calling the Bengals Joe Burrow because without Joe Burrow, they would not be as good as they are. And they are really good in this same way. Makes sense. Because they drafted a pretty darn good quarterback. Yeah, who he's bad when he's a controversial. Like Cooper Kupp going down too. He should be going up actually if you ask me. I think he should be at 90 or 90 more. He's a better receiver than Stephon Diggs. You can all agree with that. Cooper Kupp is a better receiver than 9 guys you can mention that are a higher rating and have a better thing, whatever you want to call it than him. Depth rate, whatever. Just they ran the ball a lot more. And they've ran a lot more plays that don't go to them. How does this team play with 7 and 9? And of course it's the Bears or the Chargers, whatever you want to call them. This is a meme basically. Literally. And of course we went 10-5 and 1 and came in the second division. That's what I like to see. Bengals, we beat out the Bengals somehow. They started off better than us. No, we don't need a running back. Oh, yeah, receiver. Yeah, definitely. So, how did our stats go? Jalen Hurts did decent. What are you supposed to be doing? And our defense was really good. We had second best offense. 29 touchdowns, 12 interceptions, 76 completion percentage for Jalen Hurts, which is amazing. 3,912 yards. That's very good for him. Rushing, Saquon ran for 1,532 yards, 14 touchdowns on 314 carries. We handed up to him way too much. But he still excelled. And how many yards per carry? What the frick? Fumbled once. 4.9 yards per carry. That's amazing. Juju had a lot better year. 5 touchdowns, 83 for 979. Johnson 59, 935, and 8 touchdowns. James Washington 59, 587, and 6 touchdowns. Eric Ebron 52, 575, and 4. And Saquon 40 for 521 and a touchdown. Defense. Bud Dupree 104 tackles, 7 tackles for loss. Cam Hayward again. Sacks, Cam Hayward. 2 picks for Minka. We had no turnovers, so we were more of a good play team. Matt Cullen had a pick 6. We did not have anyone in there. Saquon at 9. Defensive player of the year. Kenneth Murray, who's on, we all know that's the Chargers. Offensive, no one. Rookie of the year, defensive, no one. Okay. Can we beat the whatever they're, the Charger team, in the wild card, first playoff appearance of the rebuild. Let's see. I'm guessing not, because it's the okay, we crush them. We school them. Jackson's going to kill us. We all know that. Lamar Jackson is going to kill us. Bad. So, time for the offseason. 13-3 versus 10-5-1. Who will win? Yeah. What? We won by 4. Barely. Now we're going to play Josh Allen and the overpowered Bills. We're going to lose to them. We all know that. So, I'm going to get ready for the offseason. 13-3, 10-5-1, yet again, but we're going to lose to the Bills this time, and I'm ready for the offseason. And we win! We're going to the Super Bowl. I did not expect that. We won by 2 scores, 14. I don't know if we're beating the Panthers. I'm jumping in. You know me, I'm jumping in. And we're both 10-5-1. This should be a pretty even matchup. Of course, this is on All Madden. Brian Burns is superstars. They've got 2 studs. Shaq Thompson, Eli Apple. Bengal, watch this. Your favorite player has superstar development. Eli Apple. Oh, that brings back bad memories. I bet that's probably what he'd say. That's what Bengal would say. Bengal would say that any day of the week. I bet. Well, we got cold drive plays. How was Saquon not better? Oh, well, makes sense. Saquon is on a better year than CMC, though. Okay, Super Bowl time. Let's see what's going to happen. At AT&T Stadium. Boom now. Boom, let's go. And no one scores in the first quarter. Yes, we do. We score. Panthers get 3, then they score again. Now we're down. We score. We score again. We're up 21. Now they score. I don't know if we're going to win this. They score. We're tied up. We score again. We score again. Oh, they're driving. We got to stop them. I don't want to. Okay, we're in Devin Bush. Oh, we couldn't hit him. Nice pass, Teddy Bridgewater. 3 touchdowns, wow. 2nd in inches, though. I can't go cover 6 top because none of them going to beat that. I guess we'll blitz the house. Go to cover 2 man. Go to cover 2 man. Okay, we're good. Screen. Yeah, nice pass. You can't blitz there. It's going to be one of the man. Oh, cover 2 man. Just see that. Watch slant. Yep. You got the drag covered. No. He's wide open. Get him down. No, that's touchdown. Nice boost. That was ridiculous. They just scored. 43 yards. DJ. Yeah, Robbie Anderson. And that's not good. Let's see what happens. We score. That's game. And your Pittsburgh Steelers have won the Super Bowl. 5 touchdowns for Teddy Bridgewater. 45-38. Jalen Hurts, 4 touchdowns, no interceptions. 25-32. Amazing game by Jalen Hurts. Even better by Teddy Bridgewater, but we won the Super Bowl. Final season coming up. And this will be the final season. 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 And this will be the final Bowl. I want to end on a good note. This is going to be the end of the video. It's going to be a shorter review, actually. And let's just get into the team. Jalen Hurts, 79 overall. We had good job for us. Saquon, 99, really helped us. Snell, and how do we get Boston Scott, whatever. Juju, Smith-Schuster, James Washington, and Deontay Johnson, Chase Claypool all got up to over an 80. Especially Juju, 93. 93! He did probably the best receiving core in the league, if you ask me. In terms of strength. O-line, really good. DeCastro, of course, the best. Ebron got up to an 87, only up one, but okay. And defense, Devin Bush, 92. TJ Watt, 93. Bud Dupree, 83. And Minka Fitzpatrick, Superstar X Factor, 92. Terrell Edmonds, Terrell Edmonds, 82. Melton had Superstar Development. And then you have Cameron Hayward, Garris McKinley, and Stephon Tuitt on that really good D-line. Mike Hilton and Steve Nelson, and then the rookie sensation. Those three really helped us. And kicker, Colquitt and Boswell. Is our kicker? Whatever. That's me in the video. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. See you later. Hope you loved it.